Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Good morning and assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, your English teacher. Hope you all are good and safe. May Allah keep all of you in His mercy and protection. Ameen. Dear students, before going to take start, here are some instructions for you. Kindly listen carefully. Keep your English book, English midterm copy and pencil with you. Take screenshot of home task and activities. Do all work in midterm English copy. Keep your videos off. Use your headphones. If you have computer, you have to use headphone. If you have mobiles, kindly use hand free. Okay? Don't raise hand during the lesson. If you have any queries or question, ask at the end of the lesson through chat. Join class with your name. So students, these are instructions. Kindly follow the instructions. Thank you. Now move to the class. Let's start our class. So students, tell me what we did in previous class. Yes, we learned about letter. What we did? We learn about letter. Okay, students. Now, before we learn about letters, I am sing a song of ABC for you. You all are sing with me. Okay. Okay. Now sing with me. Start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now you know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay, that's really great. Can you tell me how many letters are there in English alphabets? Yes, there are 26 letters in our English alphabet. So, first letter start with letter A. Okay, student, look at your screen. First, I will tell you all capital letters are called uppercase, all small letters are called lowercase. Okay, are you remember? All capital letters are called uppercase, all small letters are called lowercase. Okay, now move to the alphabets. Okay, this is letter A. This is letter A. The sound of letter A is A. This is letter B. This is letter B. The sound of letter B is B. This is letter C. This is letter C. The sound of letter C is K. This is letter D. This is letter D. The sound of letter D is D. This is letter E. The sound of letter E is A. This is letter F. The sound of letter F is just concentrate the sound. This is the sound of letter F is okay. This is letter G. The sound of letter G is G. This is letter H. The sound of letter H is H. This is letter I. The sound of letter I is E. E. This is letter J. The sound of letter J is J. This is letter K. The sound of letter K is K. This is letter L. The sound of letter L is O. The sound of letter L is O. This is letter M. The sound of letter M is M. This is letter N. The sound of letter N is M. This is letter O. The sound of letter O is O. Okay, student, now move to the next letter. Our next letter is letter S. Okay, can you tell me which letters comes before letter S? Yes, the letter R comes before letter S. This is letter S. This is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. The sound of letter S is S. This is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Again, I am repeating. This is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Okay, students, now I am going to tell you the object's name which start from the given letter or which start from the letter S. Okay, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of sun. This is a sun. Sun. Sun is round in shape. It has yellow color. It is hot and gave us light. Again, sun. Sun. Now move to the next picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a star. 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 Stars shine in the sky at night time. Stars shine in the sky at night time. Sun, star. Okay, now move to the next picture. Okay, can you tell me which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of Caesar. This is a picture of Caesar. 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 Caesar is an instrument which used for cutting paper, clothes, or anything. Anything we cut. Okay. Now move to the next picture. Can you tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of snake. This is a picture of snake. 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 A snake is an animal. It has long flexible body. It is very dangerous and harmful animal. Okay. Now repeat the picture's name with me. Sun, star, scissor, snake. Okay. Can you tell me what is the beginning sound of sun? What is the beginning sound of sun? Sun. Yes, S is the beginning sound of sun. And what is the beginning sound of snake? What is the beginning sound of snake? Yes, S is the beginning sound of snake. Okay, now this is your copy page number 55. The activity is trace the letter and color the picture. First you have traced the letter, then color the picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of sun. Okay, student, can you tell me other activities? Arrange in letter. It's mean put the letter in sequence. How you arrange the letter in sequence? First you uh, first you read the letters, then you search which letters come first. Here is letter P, then you start from letter P. What's come after P? Yes, Q. Here is Q, Then you put the letter Q here. What's come after Q? Yes, R. So you put the letter R here. And what's come letter R? You definitely S. So you put the letter S is here. Okay. Now move to the other activity. This is your copy page number 59. The caption is write the letter S. You have copied down the letter S in formation. Okay, capital S or small s. Okay, students. Now, what's come after S? Can you tell me? What come after S? Yes, the letter T come after S. Which letter comes after S? Letter T come after S. All capital letters are called uppercase and all small letters are called lowercase. Okay, this is letter T. This is letter T. The sound of letter T is T. The sound of letter T is T. This is letter T. The sound of letter T is T. Again, this is letter T. The sound of letter T is T. The sound of letter T is T. Okay, now I am going to tell you the picture's name which start from the letter T. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful picture. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is tree. This is tree. Which picture is this? This is tree. Tree is a tall plant with a trunk, branches, or many leaves, and made up of wood. Tree is a tall plant with a trunk, branches, or many leaves, made up of wood. T tree. T tree. T tree. Okay, now come to the next picture. Which picture is this? Tin. Which picture is this? Tin. Which picture is this? Tin. Ta. Tin. Ta. Tin. Ta. Tin. Yes. Now, tin is made up of steel or metal. Tin is made up of steel or metal. It is used for storage food. यानी टिन इसमें हम अपना खाना स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं और ये मेटल और स्टील का बना होता है. Got it? Okay, now come to the next picture. Wow. Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is tiger. The tiger. The tiger. The tiger. Tiger is a tiger is the animals who lives in jungle. Tiger is wild animal. Okay, tiger, and tiger is very dangerous. So that's why he lives in jungle. Okay, the tiger, the tiger. Okay, now come to the next picture. Which picture is this? This is tap. This is tap. The tap. The tap. The tap. In homes, we get water from tap. In home, we get water from tap. Okay, student, tap in? Do you see tap? Where you see? Yes, in home. Where you see? In the kitchen, in the bathroom. You you ever see ना? So क्या करते हैं हम टैप से? We get water from tap. Okay, now again repeat with me. T, tree, T, tin, T, tiger, T, tap. Okay, can you tell me what is the beginning sound of tree? What is the beginning sound of tree? Yes, T. T is the beginning sound of tree. Tree is the beginning sound of tree. Okay. The tin. Ta, tin. What is the beginning sound of tin? Yes, T is the beginning sound of tin. T is the beginning sound of tin. Okay, student, can you tell me what is the beginning sound of tiger? Of course, T is the beginning sound of tiger. Okay, can you tell me the middle sound of the tap? मिडिल साउंड ऑफ यानी बीच की साउंड कौन सी है टैप की टैप यस द मिडिल साउंड ऑफ टैप इज ए द मिडिल साउंड ऑफ टैप इज ए okay student now move to the next activity this is your copy page number is 60 this is your copy page number this is copy page number 60 okay first you have traced the letter and color the picture. First you have traced the letter, then color the picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of tree. Okay, what is the color of tree? Can you tell me? Yes. What is the color of tree? The color of tree is green. Okay. Now you have to do green color in it. Okay, now move to the next activity. The caption is match the same letters. Here are letter R, here are letter S, and here is letter R, here is letter S, and here is letter T. In other side, here is letter S, here letter T, or letter R. So you match the same letter. Okay, you have to match the same letter. Now this is your copy page number 61. This is your copy page number 61. The caption is write the letter T. You have to copy down the capital letter with formation and small letter T with formation and you have to follow the formation from your copy page number 5. Okay? Okay. Okay students, can you tell me which letters come after T? Which letter come after T? Yes, the letter U comes after T. The letter U comes after T. Okay, students, this is letter U. This is letter U. This is letter U. This is letter U. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter U is A. This is letter U. The sound of letter U is A. This is letter U. The sound of letter U is A. Okay, now I am going to tell you the object's name which start from letter U. I am going to tell you the object's name which start from letter U. Wow, which picture is this? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a picture of umbrella. This is a picture of umbrella. Which picture is this? Umbrella. A umbrella. A umbrella. A umbrella. Umbrella protect us from the rain or sunlight. Umbrella protect us from rain or sunlight. अम्ब्रेला हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं अम्ब्रेला अम्ब्रेला किसे कहते हैं छतरी को कहते हैं ना व्हेन वी यूज अम्ब्रेला Yes, we use umbrella in the rain, or when we use umbrella in the rain, or umbrella protect us from the sunlight. Okay, now move to the next picture. Wow, who is he? Which picture is this? Yes, he is uncle. He is uncle. Uncle. A uncle. A uncle. A uncle. Who is uncle? The brother of mother or father is called uncle. The brother of mother or father is called uncle. A umbrella. A uncle. A umbrella. A uncle. Okay. Again repeat me. This is letter U. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter U is A. This is the picture of umbrella. Umbrella comes from letter U. Umbrella comes from letter U. This is the picture of uncle. Uncles come from letter U. Okay, can you tell me what is the beginning sound of umbrella? What is the beginning sound of umbrella? U. A, U. What is the beginning sound of uncle? A, U. A, U. Okay, now move to the next activity. Okay, student, now look at here. This is your copy page number 66. This is your copy page number 66. Okay, now the caption is trace the letter and color the picture. First you have traced the letter U, then color the picture. Okay, which picture is this? This is a picture of umbrella. So you have to color on umbrella. Okay, now come to the next activity. Observe the letter in given box, then answer the given question. इट्स मीन आपको जो ये बॉक्स बने हुए हैं इसके अंदर इसको आपने बहुत गौर से ऑब्जर्व करना है और देन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं जो इसके नीचे लिखे हुए हैं. ओके ओके, हियर इज द लेटर P Q R S in the box. Now the question is what's come before Q? What comes before Q? यानी Q से पहले क्या आता है? So students, what's come before Q? Yes, the letter P. So you have to write letter P. Okay, now L, M, N, O. Here is the letters L, M, N, O are in the box. The question is what's come before M? What's come before M? Okay, what's come before M? Yes, letter L come before M. Okay, students. This is this is so many letters here. For example, S T U V. So question is what's come before V? V से पहले क्या आता है? What's come before V? Are you remember now meaning of before, meaning of after, or meaning of between? Again, I am telling you the meaning of before. Before means पहले. Before means पहले. What is the meaning of after? After means बाद में. And what is the meaning of between? Between means दरमियान में. Okay. Can you tell me what's come before letter V? Yes, letter U comes before letter V. Okay, students, can you tell me what's come after U? What's come after U? Okay, this is your copy page number 67. You have to write letter U, capital U or small U. You have to write down the capital U and small U with formation. You have to follow the formation from copy page number 5. Okay, can you tell me which letters come after U? Which letter comes after U? Yes, the letter V comes after U. Our new next letter is the letter V. This is letter V. This is letter V. This is letter V. The sound of letter V is V. The sound of letter V is V. The sound of letter V is V. This is letter V. The sound of letter V is V. Okay. Again, I am telling you all capital letters all are called uppercase and all small letters are called lowercase. Now, it's time to tell you the object's name which start from letter V. Oh, which picture is this? Are you identify this? Yes, this is vest. This is the picture of vest. Vest is a inner wear. Vest is a inner wear. We wear vest inside the shirt. इसको हम उर्दू में बनियान भी कहते हैं. Okay. Our next picture is vase. Our next picture is vase. It is made up of different material. It is made up of different material. We arrange flower in it. वास किसे कहते हैं? वो जो फूलों का गुलदान होता है ना, जो आप लोग के ड्राइंग रूम में भी डेकोरेशन के लिए रखा होता है, गुलदान को वास कहते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग फूल डेकोरेट करते हैं. ओके. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल. वी अरेंज फ्लावर इन इट. वेस्ट, was, vest, was. Okay, now move to the next picture. Okay, can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is picture of van. This is picture of van. 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 Okay, van is a land transport. Van is a land transport. We use van for traveling. We use van for traveling. Okay. Which picture is this? Violin. 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 Violin is a musical instrument. Violin is a musical instrument. Now, vest, bass, van, violin. Vest, bass, van, violin. Okay, what is the first letter of the vest? Yes, the first letter of the vest is V. Okay, what is the beginning sound of the vase? The beginning sound of the vase is okay. Again, repeat me with me. Vase, vest, was, van, violin. Okay, now students move to the next activity. This is your copy page. Now, this is your copy page. The caption is trace the letter and color the picture. First you have trace the letter and then color the vase. Which picture is this? Yes, this is vase. Okay, now come to the next activity. Come to the next activity. Observe the letter in given boxes, then answer the given question. Students, again here are some different letters. S, T, U, V. The caption is what's come between S and U. तो यहाँ पूछा गया है कि S और U के बिटवीन में कौन सा लेटर आता है. सो लेटर T between S and U comes between S and U. सेम ये वाली एक्टिविटी ही आपको इस तरह करनी है. Now move to the next activity. You have to write the letter capital V or small v. First you have copy down letter V with formation, then small v with formation. Okay. Now come to the other activity. This is your copy page number 62. Now the caption is color the pictures which start from the given letter. Here are different letters like Q, T, M, R, S, N, P, and U. You have color those picture who start from the given letter. Okay, you start from the given letter. You have only colored those pictures. You have start from given letter. Now this is your next activity. Revise the letter A to T. Revise the letter A to T. You have to write letter A to T with proper formation. Okay, I hope you all understand. Now come to the home task. This is your homework. Follow the writing formation from copy page number 5. Follow the writing formation from copy page number 5. Complete copy pages from 58 to 64 and 66 to 69. Again, I am repeating. Complete copy pages from 58 to 64 and 66 to 69. यानी 58 से 64 तक करना है आपको और 66 और 69 66 से 69 तक करना है. Complete copy pages from 58 to 64 and 66 to 69. Complete book pages from 45 to 51. You can take screenshot of your home task. Okay, students, it's all about today. Stay safe, stay home, keep praying, take care of yourself. It's all about today. It's time to leave. Allah Hafiz from my side.